global concrete curing specialist QTech has teamed up with Apollo Infratech, one of India's leading construction equipment manufacturers, to bring advanced curing technology to the Indian market. NBM Media Consultancy facilitated this partnership. Under this strategic technical partnership, Apollo Infratech will represent QTech in India, combining global innovation with strong local manufacturing and market reach. With India's infrastructure growing rapidly, from highways to precast construction, the demand for efficient and reliable curing solutions is rising fast. This partnership directly addresses that need, bringing global standards to local projects. Initially, these curing systems will be supplied from Shanghai, but there are already plans to manufacture them in India, making the technology more accessible and scalable. Smarter curing means stronger infrastructure, and this collaboration could play a key role in shaping the future of concrete construction in India.
From QTech Shanghai. Today we signed our partnership agreement with Vitul from Apollo Infratech. We're very happy about this final outcome of our search. We have been searching for a long time to find the right partner company in India, because we believe that only a technology company, a technology-focused company is the right partner for us. And Apollo Infratech has shown over the last 10-15 years with their existing JVs in different sections that they are the right partner not only to sell the equipment but to educate the market on proper technologies and on modern technologies. So the cooperation started today, and we are looking forward to the future to supply our technology initially from China and in the future made in India.
Today we are just tied up with QTech from Mr. Andre, QTech China, and the major association partner we have chosen, QTech, for curing systems for the Indian market is Apollo Infratech Group is already providing total concrete equipment solution, where we are manufacturing machines to produce blocks, pipes and other infra projects related solutions. And need of the hour for the Indian market is curing in the shortest time frame with the latest technology. And no other than QTech would have delivered that. And we are very happy that we have tied up with them, and we look forward to a great future with them.